How to turn off Instagram autoplay video. So to stop all this autoplay video on your Instagram, all you have to do now, after you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile like this, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, now all you have to do now, tap on this search button. Under this settings and privacy, tap on this search button. So now in this search button, all you have to do now, go and type, as you can see now, go and type autoplay. So as you can see now, by typing the autoplay, as you can see now, for now there is no any button that Instagram gives you to stop the autoplay video on Instagram, but there is, the setting is already existing, but most of the people doesn't know how to do that. So now I'll show you how to stop autoplay video on Instagram. So to stop it, all you have to do now, tap on this back arrow. So tap on your menu again. After you tap on the menu like this, so now scroll all the way to down and go and find this section which says data usage and story, or data usage and media quality. Data usage and media quality, tap on it. After you open the settings, now all you have to do now, tap on this data saver. Make sure you turn on this option. So after you turn on this option, as you can see now, Instagram will stop autoplaying video on your Instagram. As you can see now, Instagram says that when data saver is turned on, video won't load in advance, means the video will not load by itself until you tap on the video, before it will just start playing. So that's it guys on how to stop autoplay video in Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.